In this question, we are asked to make A the subject of the formula. Okay, and for those who are familiar with this formula, you can see that it's an arithmetic sequence formula or a linear sequence formula. So what needs to be solved is we want to make A the subject. And currently, A is being added to this expression. So we will need to subtract that expression on the left because that expression is adding on the right. Right? So we're going to do this. We have Tn minus D n minus 1 equals to A. Right? And so quickly A is being isolated. Remember, addition is an opposite of subtraction. Send it to the other side like it's causing drama. If it's adding, you send it to the other side with a minus. If it was minusing, you send it to the other side with a plus. And ladies and gentlemen, we have indeed successfully made A the subject of the formula, or the president of the equation, chilling alone on his couch like a boss. Thank you very much. Thank you.